Are you looking for the best ergonomic keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the best ergonomic keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SKYLOONG GK104 Pro Keyboard. Extensive customization. Customize the 2.0-inch LCD screen, RGB lighting, and keyboard layouts to suit your style and needs. Hot swappable components. Easily customize your typing experience with hot swappable keycaps and switches, including 3 programmable macro knobs. Premium switch options. Choose from 4 mechanical switch types, including tactile and linear, for personalized typing feel. Advanced keyboard control. Programmable macro keys and 3 customizable knobs enhance workflow and gaming precision. 3-mode connectivity. Seamlessly switch between Bluetooth 5.1, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired connections for versatile use. Number 2. SKYLOONG GK87 Pro Keyboard. 1.7-inch RGB screen. Enhance your gaming with a 1.7-inch RGB screen displaying battery, connection status, and customizable backlight. Wireless low latency. Enjoy lag-free gaming with wireless low latency up to 1000 Hz polling rate. Ergonomic design. The SKYLOONG GK87 Pro features a split spacebar and ergonomic design for comfortable typing and gaming. Full key hot swappable. Customize your typing experience with full key hot swappable switches and keycaps. 3-mode connectivity. Seamlessly switch between USB-C, 2.4G wireless, and Bluetooth 5.1 for versatile use across devices. Number 3. Machenike K500 Mechanical Keyboard. Crafted for productivity, the K500's 90% layout is a version 2 allows users access to all the essential multimedia and function keys, but with a smaller footprint. The K500 is designed to fit your dedicated typing experience. No matter what you like, linear, clicky or a little in between, we've got you covered with 3 Huano switches options: blue, brown, red. We want to make sure that you experience the same feedback for every keystroke. You can easily hot swap every switch in a few seconds to customize your typing experience on the K500 without soldering. The K500 features RGB lighting with 16.8 million LED colors. You can download additional lighting effects to the library and easily use them through the lighting effects driver. Type-C is powerful than older used types and transfer data faster than any other USD type. Number 4. YUNZII IC68 Pink Gaming Keyboard. Enjoy a unique cute keyboard with YUNZII innovative kawaii cat design crafted from high-quality silicone material. The cat head of the keyboard is detachable. You can replace other heads in the future. The 65% layout 68 keys mechanical keyboard is compact and functional. This cute keyboard is suitable for home, office, workspace, outdoor, and casual games. This silicone keyboard with an ergonomic design reduces typing fatigue. The silky silicone keyboard, along with the oil sprayed process, makes the keyboard easy to clean. Multiple layers of sound-absorbing fillings, pre-lubed switches, stabilizers, and solid silicone eliminate typing noise, greatly improving the typing experience. YUNZII IC68 is compatible with Mac and Windows. The wireless keyboard supports Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, and wired Type-C connection. It can connect to up to 5 devices at the same time and switch between them easily. The NKRO keyboard can work with tablets, laptops, PC, and smartphone devices. It lasts up to 72 hours of typing with a 4000 mAh battery. As a hot swap mechanical keyboard, the C68 custom mechanical keyboard has a hot swappable PCB that supports both 3 or 5-pin mechanical switches, allowing you to change the keyboard switches easily without the need for switch soldering. With Windows software, you can customize unlimited RGB options, macro keys, and remap keys. Number 5. Aula F87 Mechanical Keyboard. Aula F87 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard supports BT 5.0/2.4 GHz/Type-C connection, which can be easily switched using the FN and combo key or the side buttons. This gaming keyboard with Bluetooth mode can connect up to 3 devices at the same time, such as PC, laptop, tablet, cell phone, PS, Xbox, and supports Mac/Win/iOS/Android system. This wireless gaming keyboard supports 3-pin/5-pin hot swappable, which makes it easier to DIY your personalized creamy keyboard. The PC keyboard adopts pre-lubricated Leobog Greywood V3 switch for more precise and smooth tapping, and does not cause program conflicts when pressing multiple keys at the same time. With programmable drivers, the custom keyboard allows you to set shortcuts and key combinations according to your usage habits. Full keys support for macro recording and editing, increasing the probability of winning the game. Aula F87 Thoki keyboard features the most advanced gasket construction and PCB single key slotting, with extended one-piece silicone pads to better optimize rebound and stability for a softer and more elastic feel. 5 layers of sound deadening layers sandwiched between high-quality acoustic cotton and air cushions effectively counteract the cavity sound of the shaft hitting the positioning plate, providing you with a quiet and soft touch typing experience.